Hi, I'm Shivani Tiwari Desai. I'm from San Francisco, California, and I'm here for a 1 week retreat with Alan and Diana, Sacred Valley Spiritual Retreat, and doing 1 week exclusive sessions.
What did you learn about yourself?
From the first day, starting taking my time to gather my thoughts, to the very next day, we started doing the therapy sessions. Each and every session, I learned that we all are connected to our core, but sometimes you need to pick up where it's lacking, the main where the main blockage is. But then there are so many tools and opportunities to how you can open it up. Specifically during ayahuasca ceremony, and I did 2 of them. It was really shaking, very humbling, and made me realize the love, oneness. I saw death, I saw my limitations, I saw many people who passed away and alive and beyond, and that if you ask for it, everything is there to work on you. I was in jungle, and the snake, birds, animals, everybody was busy to heal me from the cellular level. I was like, oh, they are just busy doing their work continuously. And I was just, at some point, I did surrender, and they were just doing their job. I was like, okay, I'm like seeing everything, how busy they are. They are doing work for us, and we need to continuously keep doing that for us.
How were the healing sessions?
Healing sessions were eye-opening, because you know so many things about you. Even if you're very spiritual, you're in touch with yourself, but sometimes you're not that good of critic of yourself, and this can completely pinpoint and give you the right direction.
And lastly, how were Alan and Diana?
Love, love, love. Alan and Diana, I love you. I could not have, this was the best decision, because I could not have chosen the right people. Not even they were speaking my language, and I was feeling so connected throughout with them. They were seeing like what I need. They do focus completely on everything what Shivani needs, and the support during ceremonies, the support which is required, because again it could be very gruesome while you're in session and you're going through. You could feel many things, but the constant support, it gave me so much hope, and that okay, I can surrender during the ceremony. It gave me that peace that I'm in great hands. It gave me continuously, I kept feeling the feeling of love. Yeah, it was overflowing, and then so I could have my ceremony wonderfully. I could take the best out of it. I could understand what is going on. Yeah, wonderful.
Okay. And have you recommended it to anyone already?
I did recommend to many people. Many people are waiting for me, so I can go and tell them. They're already booking timing with me. I'm gonna meet you. I'm gonna meet you. So yeah,
Okay, thank you.
people are excited. Love, love, love.
Thank you.